Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Nissan Maxima with its key. First, locate the ignition slot, usually on the dashboard, and fully insert your key fob. Make sure your vehicle is securely in park or neutral. Then, firmly press down on the brake pedal with your right foot. This sequence prepares your car for a smooth start, ensuring all safety protocols are met before ignition. With the key fob inserted and your foot on the brake, simply press the engine start/stop button. You'll hear the engine turn over and come to life. Once the engine is running smoothly, you can release the brake pedal. This method ensures a quick and reliable start every time, getting you on your way without any fuss or delay. If your Maxima doesn't start, first check your key fob battery. A weak battery can prevent communication. Also, ensure the steering wheel isn't locked, as this can prevent the ignition from engaging. If the car still won't start, a drained car battery might be the culprit, requiring a jump start. These simple checks can often resolve common starting problems quickly. In an emergency, you can use the physical key hidden within your fob to manually unlock the door. If the fob battery is dead, place the fob directly against the start button to initiate an emergency start. Remember to check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Regular maintenance, like checking your car battery, helps prevent unexpected issues and keeps your Maxima running reliably.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.